The waterfall model was the first process model to be introduced. It is also referred to as the linear sequential life cycle model. It is very simple to understand and use. In a waterfall model, each phase must be complete before the next phase can begin, and there is no overlapping in the phase. The waterfall model is the earliest SDLC approach that was used for software development. The waterfall model illustrates the software development process in a linear sequential flow. This means that any phase in the development process begins only if the previous phase is complete. In this waterfall model, the phases do not overlap. In the waterfall approach, the whole process of software development is divided into separate phases. In this waterfall model, typically the outcome of one phase acts as the input for the next phase sequentially. The following illustration is a representation of the different phases. Waterfall model has many different phases like requirement analysis, system design, implementation, testing, deployment, and maintenance. These are the phases of waterfall model.